In order to learn any programming language or to master any programming language, you have to know these four things very well, and you have to understand how to use them, and you have to understand each and everything about these four things which I am going to tell you. The first one is terms. So you have to know specific or specified terms for any programming language. Specifically, when you become a programmer, to know the terms is a must for you, because when you speak with some other developer, you have to know everything like statement, initiation. These things are the most important things, because when you don't understand these things, you cannot speak with other developers, you cannot speak with other programmers around the globe. So like when you become expert, many developers work on one project, like one from another country and you from another country. So you have to understand each and every term to speak with that programmer and to understand what they say. So these terms are the most important. Secondly, you have to understand the data type. Well, data types are the most important things, and you can think of it as values. You store something, you store some values for in that. So in the next videos or in coming videos, I'll tell each and every data types in Python specifically. So each language has different data types, including Python. So you have to understand this. You have to know each and every data types to use this, to understand, to solve your problems. So data types are to store informations. And the third one is actions. When you know the terms and data types, you have to take some actions on that. You have to do some sort of tasks to use them and have something as output. So when you don't understand this, you cannot have any action, you cannot take any action on them. Like action, we can call it as a function. What are the function? And I'll tell you in the next videos. But here you have to know the terms, you have to understand the data types of any programming language, including Python, so you can take an action on that. And the fourth one is best practices. When you understand the terms, when you understand the data types, in actions, you take some actions, you need to have some best practices, because you have to know the good ways of programming and bad ways of programming. When you have the experience, when you know everything, when you do everything, so you will know all the things. You have to take these steps and you have to understand these things, then you become a great programmer or you can code very well. So these are the things which are the most important before understanding or before having anything related to Python. So you have to understand these, and I'll tell each and everything, I'll tell each and every point related to them in the next videos.